Dear students, so in the previous class we have learned the definition of the relation and how to write down, how to find out for the domain and the range of the relation, and even though we come to know that how to write down for the relation also. Okay, so after learning those all the things, now we are going to solve some examples that have been given in the exercise that have been given in the exercise 2.2. The second one example I am going to solve. Later I will take down for the first one. This is the second one example. In the second one example, what we have given: define relations are on the set of natural number. This relation is defined on the set of natural numbers, and that relation is nothing but already we know that are having in the ordered pair x comma y, where y is nothing but x is equal to x plus 1. The relationship they have given it as y is equal to x plus 1, where this x is natural number and that natural number is lesser than 4. X is what? Natural number, and that natural number is what? That natural number is lesser than the 4 they have given. Those xy elements are belongs to the set of natural number. Depict this relationship using roster form. Now we are going to write down in the form of the roster form only. This is nothing but in the set builder form. From builder form we are going to write down in the form of the roster form. Write down its domain and the range they have given. That we have to write down its domain and the range. Okay. The relation is what they have given already. That is pair of x comma y, where this y is equal to x plus 5. Where x is natural number. X is natural number means x is belongs to natural number, and that this x is lesser than the what? 4. That natural number is x is natural number lesser than the 4. That natural number is what? Lesser than the 4 they are given. Okay. So natural numbers are start from what? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. The natural numbers which are lesser than the 4 means ನಾಲ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is 1, 2, 3. Here we have to take that the first element as x as the 1. The condition is the relation what we have given, y equal to x plus y. When I take x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 plus 5, and y is equal to how much? 6 we get. Then y equal to y, what we get? 6 we get. Next, when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 1, 2 plus 5. Instead of x, we should have to put 1, 2, and then the last one is 3. Then what we get? Y is equal to 7. When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 1, 3 plus 5. Then what will we get? Y is equal to 8. Therefore, what we are going to write the relation, that is pair of x comma y. When x is equal to 1, then what we get? Y is equal to 6. That is, look here, y is equal to x plus 6. When x is 1, y is 6. When x is 2, y is 7. That is 2, 7. That is when x is 3, then y is 3. So this order where x comma y, x comma y, x comma y, that is nothing but the relationship between the x and the y. The relationship between the x and the y. The relationship between the x and the y. That is the relationship between the x and the y. Get it? So this 1 is related to 6, this 2 is related to 7, this 3 is related to 8. How they related? That is y is equal to x plus 1. Getting? Then domain of R. What is domain of the relation? That is the first element of the ordered pair of this relation. The first elements of the ordered pair of this relation is nothing but domain. The domain is 1, 2, 3, and the range of R is the second elements of the ordered pair of R. R ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಾಗ ordered pair ಒಳಗೆ second elements ಇರ್ತಾವೋ, those are nothing but what? The range of R. So this is nothing but how we have been find out for the relation in roster form. This is the roster form. This is nothing but here the elements are listed and The next one, the first one example I am going to take to solve here. So in the first one example from the exercise 2.2, from the exercise 2.2, this is what they have given the set. The set is having the elements from 1 to 14. The elements are being having 1 to 14. Define the relation R from A to A. Define the relation R from A to A means R from A to A. Already I told you that R from A to A. These are the two sets. This is also set. This is also set. This is what relation. R from set A to A by, already they have given the relation in the set vector form, that is pair of xy, where this is the relation what they have given, 3x minus y is equal to 0, where this xy belongs to A. Xy belongs to A, the first element and the second element from the ordered pair of xy that are all belongs to this A elements, where we have to find out for the domain of R, codomain of R and the range of R. Okay. So codomain of R means, the codomain means the second elements of the set. The second elements of the set. The second elements of the set we have again 1 to 14. Getting? Okay. First we should have to write down the relation pair of xy, where 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy is belongs to A. So A means what? Set A means 1 to 14 we have to take the. First I will take the relation 3x minus y is equal to 0. First I will take the element 1, the x has the 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. No, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 into 1 again 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. No. When I take 3 into 1, 3 and y as the 3, then it is 1, 0. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 3, then this relation is 0. When I take x as the 2, when I take x as the 2 minus dash is equal to 0. When you are going to be getting the answer it as 0, when we are subtracting the same two numbers. Now ಯಾವಾಗ number ಅನ್ನ same two numbers ಅನ್ನ subtraction ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 into 2 6, it means 6 minus 6 is 0. Get it? What we want the relation? 3 into x minus y, we should have to get it as 0. When I take the x as 1, 3 into 3, 3 into 1 is 3, then y should be also 3. When I take x as 2, 3 into 2, then 3 into 2 is 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. When I take x as 3, 3 into 3, that is 9, so 9 minus 9 is again 0. When I take x is 4, 3 into 4 minus, then y should be 1 again 12. 3 into 4, 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. When I take x as the 5, 3 into 5 is 15. Whether this 15 is present in this set, because what they have given xy should be belongs to A, that y should also belongs to A, x should also belongs to A. Here y is nothing but the set A. We have to take the each and every elements of set A that is belonging to the A. And here whether this y is 15, this 15 element is present in this set, no. So it is not possible to take. So therefore you can divide the relation as when x is 1, y is 3, then it is 0. When x is 2, y is 6 is 0. When x is 3, y is 9 is equal to 0. When x is 4, y is 12 is equal to 0. It means this is what the relationship between the A related to B, or x related to 1, x related to 1, x related to 1, x related to 1. When x is related to y, then this condition is equal to 0. Next, what we have to write on the domain. Domain of R we are going to be write the first element of the order pair R. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what are the codomain? Codomain means what? The second element of the set. The second element of set is nothing but A. The codomain I can write it as the set A. So that is nothing but what? The solution for this example. Okay. So once you read it properly and solve it, it is very easy to solve. Got it? Okay. The third one example I will take. In the third example, what they are given? The set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B. So they have defined R from A to B. Or else you can show this one like this. This is just like the rough one that I am going to show here. This is relation from A to B. Set A is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is having 4, 6, 9. Okay. So here what they are given the relation is R is a pair of x1. The difference between x and y is, it means the difference between the x and y is what? It means x minus y, we should have to get the number it as the what? Odd number, and this x along the ex and the ex and the ey and the y and here x is belongs to A, y belongs to B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ x ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಐತಿ ಸೆಟ್ A. x ಸೆಟ್ A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ? x belongs to set A means that is 1 2 3 4 5. ಆ x ಏನಾಗಿರಬಹುದು? 1 ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, 2 ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, 3 ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, 4 ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, 5 belongs to A ಅಂದ್ರೆ x belongs to A ಅಂದ್ರೆ every elements of set A belongs to x. Okay? Okay. Then y belongs to B. Y belongs to B. Set B ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 6 9. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ರಿಲೇಷನ್ x minus y, the common difference. Sorry, the difference between x and y is odd. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು x ಅನ್ನ y ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ? 1 ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ x ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y. When I take 1 minus, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x minus y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ. where clearly x minus y is not, x is from first set, y is from second set. 1 minus 4 means minus 3 is odd. Yes, this is odd. Next, under 1 is the second element. 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. Minus 5 is odd. Yes. 1 minus 9. Sorry, 1 minus 9 is minus 8. It is not odd. 1 together, I have to be compared with each and every elements of set B. But in the comparison means that I have to be subtract. That each and every element of the first set is going to be, first element is going to be subtract with the each and every elements of the second element. 1 together. The 1 is over. Next I have to take the 2. 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. This is also not odd. Next, 2 minus 6. That is again I am getting minus 4. This is also not odd. Then 2 minus 9. That I have kept it as a minus 7. This is again what? This is again is what? Minus 7 is odd. So 2 is over 3. 3 minus 4. That is minus 1. That minus 1 is also odd. 3 minus 6. That is also minus 3. Minus 3 is also odd. Next 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 is not odd. That is even. So 3 is over 4. 4 minus 4. That is 0. 0 is even number. This is not. This is not. Next 4 minus 6. That is minus 2. Minus 2 is also not odd. Next 4 minus 9. That is minus 5. Minus 5 is also odd. So 4 is over. Next I will take the 5. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. That is odd. Next 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 is also minus 1. That is also odd. minus y is out. So like that, which are the right part? No, those are belonging to this relation. That means we can write the R as when x is 1, y is 4. That is 1 comma 1 minus 4 is that we get the R. Next 1 comma 6, 2 comma 9, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 9, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6. So these are the relation for when x minus y is odd number. When we have the x minus y is odd number. So if we look at the relation, how the x y is having the relation, that x minus y is again we are getting odd numbers. It is nothing but x related to y, x related to y, x related to y, x related to y. So x related to y like b equal to what is it? A comma b, a comma b, a comma b, a related to b, a related to b, a related to b, like that b. Okay. Next, what is the domain? What is the domain of this example? That is dr. Domain of this relation, that is the first elements of the order that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the range of R? That is the second elements of the order pair 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6. So this is nothing but what? The range of the relation. Got it? So if you have any doubts, then you can ask me by through the call. Okay? So along with this video, you should have to compulsory give the attendance. Don't forget to give the attendance. Okay? The next one example, the fourth one. So in this example, what they have said is figure 2.7, the figure means that structure they have given shows the relationship between the sets P and Q. So they have given the relationship between x and Q. Write the relation in set builder form, roster form, and what is the domain of this relation and the range of this relation. So roster form, by watching this diagram, I can write down this relation in the roster form directly as one P and Q. That is, I can write this one as 1, 5, 3. Directly I can write this one as 6, 4 and 7, 5. So this is nothing but the roster form, because we here in this diagram they have clearly given already the relationship between P and Q, P and Q, P and Q. So you can say that x, y, x, y, x, y. That x is belongs to that the first element of this, y belongs to that the second element of this. Okay. So this is first we should have to show that is the set builder form. I can take this one as pair of x, y, where here we have the common difference between the P and Q is 2. 5 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 7 minus 1. The common difference is 2. Getting? So I can be write this one as per my idea. I can be get this y, that is nothing but 3 as x minus where x belongs to x is nothing but x is okay, can we take x belongs to P. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. I can take this. X belongs to P, y belongs to Q. Okay. This one I can be write it as, okay. Or else I can be write this one relation as the one R is equal to pair of x1 where x is equal to y plus 2. Where x is belongs to P, y belongs to P. How it is possible? When x is equal to 5, then when I put the y is equal to 3. When it is x is equal to y plus 2, when I get the 5, then y is having 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is how much? That is 5. If I take the x is equal to 7, then I take the x is equal to 7 when it is 6. When it is having a 6, when it is having 4 plus 2, that is 5, that is 6 comma 4. When these are having 7 and 5 plus 4, it means the common difference. Getting? So that is nothing but x is equal to y plus, I can be like this. That is the relationship between x comma 1, the relationship between 5 comma 3, the relationship between 4 6 comma 4, the relationship between 7 comma 5. Then this is nothing but the set will form. What is the domain and range of the domain of the first element of the ordered pair? That is the relation, that is 5 6 7, and range of the range of will be 3 4, and the ordered pair will be only we have to take from the domain and the range from the ordered pair of the relation. So relation ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ the example, this one, the example number 4. The next one example will be in the example number 5. They have given set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 6. Here 5 is not given. 1 2 3 4 6. Let relation R on A defined by. So relation R on A means what? They may give the relation only on single set, not singleton. I am telling single set. R on A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? R from A to A ಅಂದ್ರೆ domain ಓದಿರ್ತದೆ, codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ by structure how we can say that R from A to A only, because the relation that can be defined on single set as the domain. If they have given only on the single set, then the codomain will be the same, because you cannot define without R subset of A cross A. And second set to yavudu, that is A only. In the beginning I told you, whenever the relation is defined on only single set, then the codomain, ಎರಡನೇ set codomain ಅಂದ್ರೆ the second set will be the again the same. Whenever they define it on only the single set, R on A ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು domain ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದರ codomain ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ second set. Codomain means second set ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ, that is A only. Okay, so they have defined the relation is like that is a pair of AB when AB belongs to A, B exactly divisible by A only. B is divisible by A only. Then we have to write R in roster form and find out the domain and the range of R. Okay, so roster form running both. So already you learned that you should have to list the elements, and those elements are being separated by commas and write within a flower bracket. Okay, so in the extra so look here, this is a very important order pair AB. The first element and the second element belongs to the set A. Already I told you the set A, second element is also second element is product. The second element is also from set A. Domain odaiti, codomain odaiti. Okay, where B is exactly, the second element is exactly divisible by A. So AB relation hengeti, A related to B is how? B is exactly divisible by A, but should have to be written in the form of pair of AB. Okay, so when I take now B elements total, B elements andre that is also belongs to set A. It is 1 2 3 4 6. When I take, and A is also the same elements, 1 2 3 4 6. B exactly divisible by A. B divided by A. B exactly divisible by A. When I take the B element as in 1 is exactly divisible by among what are those things among these numbers? The 1 is going to be exactly divisible by among these numbers is 1 is exactly divisible by 1 only. So here 1 is over B. Next when I take B by A, the second one, 2 only. 2 is exactly divisible by 1 also. To among which we have to be compared. This second element is exactly going to be divisible by the each and every elements of the first element. Okay. Next, when I take the b as 3, 1 is over, 2 is over. Next, I am going to take the 3. 3 is exactly divisible by 1, and 3 is also exactly divisible by 3. Getting? Next, I will take b by a. That is, when I take the b as 4, then 4 is exactly divisible by 4 is exactly divisible by 1. 4 is exactly divisible by 2. 4 is exactly divisible by 4. Getting? Okay. Next, when I take b as 6, 6 is exactly divisible by 1. 6 is exactly divisible by 2. 6 is exactly divisible by 3. 6 is exactly divisible by 6. Not by the 4. So, how we are going to write down its relation R is pair of AB, AB. So, look here, that is AB, 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 we have to write. 1, 1, AB, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, AB, AB by AB, AB, B exactly divisible by A. 1, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6. So this is nothing but what? B is exactly divisible by A. This is not the relation. Here, each and every element of it, 1 is divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 1, 2 is exactly divisible by 2, 3 is exactly divisible by 1. So each and every element should have been done here. Okay. So next what we are going to write down the domain of R. The domain of R means what? What is the domain of R? That we have to take the first element of the ordered pair of this relation. First element of ordered pair of this relation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is what? Domain of R. Range of R. That is the second element of the ordered pair of R. Second element of the level. Second element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So this is nothing but what? The range of R. So roster form over here. This is nothing but the roster form. Here we list the elements, and those elements are being separated by the comma and right within a flower bracket. So this is nothing but one of the example of the relation. Okay, fine. So the remaining examples I will continue in the next class. The remaining example from the exercise 2.2 I will continue in the next class. Thank you. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me to the call. Okay.